and maybe you just have family issues, and that even a cockroach would not want to talk to you, and you're just being an absolute pick me, like better or just better at being stupid. Even your followers and likes are the same as your IQ. 7 IQ and 1 for being unpopular. And even a fly would touch you because you're full of easy. I mean, it's not my fault that you don't have anything to do in life. That's all. Oh, who is you? Hi, Zumo. Remember me?
It's Bunny Bunch.
Siyempre naman, bakit?
Of course, I can open my com.
Hello lang. Hello, pretty boy. How are you?
Sino to si Zap? Sino si Zap?
Friend ni Bunny Bunch.
Yeah, he calls me ate.
Why? Why
Bakit ate?
And yeah, and my
Ilang taon na ba yan?
boyfriend calls me wife.
Sana all.
Sana all?
Respeto sa mga single.
Respeto sa single. Thank you.
Even respeto naman sa singles.
May.
Hindi ko naman kasalanan.
Respeto sa Milkit.
Hindi ko naman kasalanan.
Let's make AI lava ASMR.
It's not my fault.
Uy, pretty boy, 1 year na pala ako hindi nagla-live. Di ba ni Bunch ko lang nalaman?
Kaya ako yung nagla-live naman ako.
Ako nga, ngayon na ako nakapag-live eh. I mean, nakapag-join. Ano?
Ako nagla-live naman ako.
Kay Bunny Bunch ko lang nalaman, 1 year na pala ako hindi nagla-live.
Yeah.
Mostly kasi nag-join ka lang sa akin eh.
Nag-join ka.
Oh, freedom! I have a new K-pop. I have a new global rising pop star sensation group.
Damn.
Oh.